welcome to the first episode of Arts Adventures for real this time. Today we're going to be racing the desktop. Wait, we don't have a desktop environment yet. We don't have command line based these things. So, racing. I apologize that my screen is dirty. It's because I'm recording this during the day. It just stayed outside. So, now I'm going to try and see if I've messed up the installment. And unfortunately, I haven't done jack. Because I do not have the DHCP CD service. At least I can use this to boot back up into the existing Arch install. Thank the Holy Lord. I hate myself sometimes. Let's see. Now I have to do sudo system ctl enable DHCP CD. Yeah, okay. I want to show you the first time thing when I try and do sudo privileges. Do you trust that you receive usual access to the local system manager? It usually boils down to these three things. 1. Respect the privacy of others. 2. Think before you type. 3. With great power comes great responsibility. For security reasons, the password you type is not visible. Sudo parser for root. The reason why that it's prompted me for the root password is that I set the sudo file to only accept the root password as the sudo password. If you look up episode 0, you know why. I almost said episode -1. That's when I was recording back in 2022 with a capture card on an old Dell XPS machine that I explored Optimus on my actual VM. Manjaro was one of the operating systems that is Arch based. You know what? Let's go into a predicament of what we will have in the near future. This is my Steam Deck. It's a core machine, I know. I don't know if it runs Fedora or runs Steam. It runs SteamOS by default, but this Steam Deck of mine is well, I don't know. I haven't been touching my Steam Deck in years, so yeah, of course my finger gets covered over the camera lens. Right, let me just enter my goddamn root password instead of wasting my goddamn time talking about the Valve Steam Deck and SteamOS. Can't even type my damn password correctly. Failed to enable unit file DHCP service does not exist. Okay, I missed a crucial point in the installation of episode 0 of Arts Adventures, so I seem to have messed up the install a bit. So, another reboot into live USB again. Control delete. Yep, apologies, we're going back to the stack one step back in time. Oh wait. I seem to have no way of getting back. Wait, UEFI firmware settings. I think this is the one I need to do. Okay, computer turns off temporarily when it's changing the boot order to boot from BIOS now. I need to get the Arch wiki up. Right, where is the Mouse. Oh, we're back in Mars again. It is horrible. I don't like it. Okay, well, we're gonna go into unacted and select my Kingston. I'm gonna select my art install because I know I shouldn't be doing this. I shouldn't be using my art install CD. Did I mess up the install? Look, I'm gonna get back to you, okay? I'm gonna pause this and get back to you. Okay, we're back into the Arch Install USB because I forgot to do one thing. DHCP clients were not installed in the system in the last episode because I'm an idiot. What you lot? I will. This is what we're gonna. This is my Steam Deck. It's running Battle server, which is stands for emulator stuff. There's everything like games and all here. It's my emulation Steam Deck because there's a lot of flipping games on it. Let's boot. Then I can shut down boot this into OS here. So I'm going to shut down the system again. I'm going to hit this, shut down the system, and go back to this. What am I missing? There's a few stuff missing. I forgot which one it is. Give me one moment while I figure out what I have to do. So, in my feeble attempt to install Arch, I forgot one thing. I haven't configured the service to automate assign an IP address, which means I had no access to the internet. Well, at least I have this now, which allows me to do. We want this one, Network Manager. We want wireless authentication. So only with WA. Might be that. So we have DHCP CD, but the problem is that's the problem, not WPS supplement, and we need IWD and support, so that matches my only bet. But for command line interfaces, we can try System D, Network D, or DHCP CD. Right, so I got on there with a few services. Give me a moment. Back. This is a problem. This is what happens when you don't mess up your system carefully. I enabled the service finally. Now the problem is, it doesn't know what to do. So, I tried API a few times and it freaked out. But I did with this command to allow this thing to activate. Sudo IP link sets dev and this interface. We're in. We're finally in, boys. Now, let's consult the almighty Muha. Do you know, I don't use a sudo kill me. Wait, sudo kill. Okay, where was I? Right over, he doesn't know the DHCP CD service. Where was I in this install? Fuck me. Give me a few right, let's double check my Steam Deck, cause I just want to show the future. My Steam Deck doesn't want to show you the future right now. Now it wants to. No, it accidentally stopped the damn recording. I have to edit this and stitch it up and put it like a goddamn idiot. Right, boot manager. Right, this is my Steam Deck, boot manager. Oh, there's Fedora 38 on here. Oh, there's Fedora on here. Let's boot into it. So, the reason why this boots into Fedora instead of SteamOS is because it runs something called Bazzite Linux. I don't know why SteamOS would be better on this damn thing, but this usually runs SteamOS as pertained by Valve. Don't worry about this. This is a complete system, by the way. So this isn't a Steam Deck video, but yep, this is actually a modified SteamOS with plugins. Because it is SteamOS, it boots up the Steam big picture by default. This is excellent. Let's see what the final vote. I'm going to boot into desktop mode on the Steam Deck so we can show you the complete setup here. Yes, I know it's updating Steam. It's doing all this. And then on command line, this is GUI based. My mother will be back soon. I do not know why. Steam is installing. The problem is, this is the full installation. Except that start menus is Bazzite. Item not the KDE Plasma button. So this is the complete system we'll go into, except we won't have a ton of desktop icons like I have here, because this is a Steam Deck. I have to have this is just only for gaming and stuff. This is for testing and writing Linux applications and doing all the bloat on it. This is my gaming one. It has a full GUI experience already. So since I'm no longer on Arch-based distribution, it is on Fedora. So just pretend this is SteamOS for now. Just pretend this is SteamOS, because this is the system we're gonna be up against once we fully installed the GUI desktop environment, which is this. Right, we're gonna continue. Not so IWD doesn't work, and even if I want to install Wi-Fi drivers, I got to sort it out. Episode 3 or whatever, I do not know, and my laptop battery is low, so give me a few minutes while I charge the damn laptop. I also forgot to install one thing, which is this sudo pack man -s. I need to do this again. I'm going to do sy root password again. Flipping hell, I hate doing this every time. Give me one moment, please. Okay, I need to sync up the package databases, but now this is what I'm gonna do. Install this. I'm gonna install this because it's really necessary to do this, because it installs WPA Sublint, and we needed that for Wi-Fi. an IWD, which is WAPA something alternative. But it does install WPA supplement, which will allow us to connect this system through the Wi-Fi instead of my goddamn phone, which will be another episode. If I get trade cred, then boom, we get the Wi-Fi driver, Wi-Fi USB driver into the system, and be good. Okay, next step. We got to do. Okay, wait a second. I got to enable the damn service, do I? System CTL enable. Why do I always have to type this? Why do I have to type capital N and capital M? That's not... Okay, we do have a few more now. DHCP CD is not installed, Network Manager is not installed. Thank the holy fuck. Right, let me double check what graphics card I have in the system. As in episode 0, I told you that I had a state-of-the-art RTX 2070 and we're using NVIDIA. So, what are we gonna do? Install the NVIDIA drivers. NVIDIA proprietary drivers at least. Because we need NVIDIA. And if we don't have NVIDIA drivers, this probably will not boot. So, I got to enter this long command. So it could be a long time since I need to install this. TKMS lib G LPND NVIDIA utils OpenCL NVIDIA. lib32. It's going to be the same one. Lib GLBND. Stop. No need to go into your thing. lib32 NVIDIA utils and lib32 the hyphen open cl dash NVIDIA settings. Let's see here. Sudo pacman -s NVIDIA DKMS lib glvnd NVIDIA utils OpenCL NVIDIA lib32 lib glvnd lib32 and then all the libraries we have in the NVIDIA settings. Yes. This will install the NVIDIA drivers. Finally. It's going to take a lot to and again, I'm going to pause to conserve gigabytes on my phone. Okay, it's doing all this. Yes. This is what we need, baby. This is what we need. Nice. Is it building the DKMS modules now? Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, it's not doing it yet. The DKMS stuff isn't working. Oh, what's this? Missing kernel headers for NVIDIA. Don't worry, I'll just. Don't worry. Once this is done, I will install them. Oh, I seem to have forgotten one thing again. Okay, I seem to have missing kernel headers, so links. If I pack strap to this, we wouldn't have a problem. And since it's going to be a fast boy install, I don't need to cut the footage at all. Yay! Oh, it's now installing the DKMS modules. Watch as my fans ramp up to serious speed when it's doing the DKMS install. Look at the fans spinning on that GPU, and it's spinning on the CPU as well. Right, it's installing the DKMS module. Yay! Remember, we have a KDE system on here. We want to get to that point. Yes! Yes, indeed. This is a wild boy here. Yep, the fans are still ramping. Is stuck on DKMS install. No, the system hasn't been frozen. And I got to wait until this installs. So it installs for this kernel 7.6.7.9 Arch 1.1. I don't care if you cut to the damn Linux version that Philip used. Wait a second, what version did Philip use? I will look to see what kernel version Phillips used in his previous episode. Okay, sharp fell. I'm going to see your current Linux version on your 320 gig access, 320 gig hard drive. Okay. Here's the problem, okay? So here's the problems, okay? I installed Arch. I put Arch on this USB stick, right? This is my Arch install, which is 2024-03-1. This, however, Philip, on the other hand, burnt the entire Arch Linux install onto a CD, onto a blank CD, or a DVD. Lucky for you, we are on the era of USB flash drives now. Congratulations, 2020 new 2000 technology, 2020 technology. We don't mention about that bug once, where we have to stay inside all the damn time. Yep. By the way, in 2014 he used a Lenovo to install this on a physical machine. Okay. Okay, I found what his kernel version is. This is the 2014 Arch Linux kernel version, which is 3.12.7.7-1. On the other hand, in 2024, we have this kernel version, 6.7.9. It's been a long way to reach this kernel version. We had a few more kernel versions back then, but I just saw you in 2020. In 2022, 2 years ago, I showed you Manjaro's kernel version, which could be been version 5 or something. But I'm not talking about kernel versions. I'm gonna have to close that window. Be 1 second. Okay, I closed the window now. What do we have to do? Sudo nano slash etsy slash mkinit cpio. What is it? Dot conf. Okay, this is the step, and if I mess up, I go back to the ISO. This is making it CPIO. This is where I load all the kernel modules, the kernel binaries, and the files. We're only focusing on loading kernel modules. Okay, I gotta type this up very carefully, which is NVIDIA, and then I have to type NVIDIA again, which is NVIDIA. Oh wait, there's no hyphens in this. I gotta do underscore. Damn it. Yes, I'm pressing the underscore one. You don't see it, but I did. Mode set. Yeah, my computer's dying. NVIDIA. Okay, make sure I don't mess this up. NVIDIA. I can't do hyphens. UVM NVIDIA hyphen DRM. NVIDIA mode set, NVIDIA UVM, NVIDIA DRM. That's the ones we need. Save that. I don't know how you add this to your goddamn grub configuration, so give me 1 second. I don't know how to enable the goddamn Linux command line to enable the NVIDIA driver. Fucking hell. Is it NVIDIA? DRM dot mode set 1. So NVIDIA hyphen DRM dot mode set 1. Then I got to save that and regenerate the goddamn grub thing again. Grub mkconfig -o. Yep, I am logged in as a root user due to sudo save. Because I'm going to execute multiple commands at once. Boot grub.cfg. Right, just regenerate the grub configuration file to allow my NVIDIA card to boot. To allow it. I do not know if it will work. If I mess up, back to the arts install USB. It's back to the arts install USB. Yep, I'm now going to have to make a damn hook. So if in case the thing decides to mess up MK, I'm gonna make a directory, call this etc hackmandy hooks. This thing is amazing. And then we just nano it, do we? We nano it. NVIDIA dot hook. You know what? This will be episode 1 of After Adventures. It's going to be just configuring the goddamn NVIDIA drivers. And I keep humming for no reason. Let's see. Let's double check. Fucking autofocus. I am gonna have to. I do apologize for the swearing. I swear on the lot when it's unedited. I usually censor that out, but today you're having uncensored required aim, which is not good. It's at CPAC Wendy versus hooks. That's video.hook. Let's double check the guide. At CPAC Wendy hooks and video.hook. Okay, I'm gonna type lots of stuff, so do you want me, let's see, what do I have to type in? I gotta type in trigger, trigger, operation stall. No, I'm just gonna pause this and type all this in, man. Type all this in off screen, so you don't have to suffer what I did. Pause the recording and get back to you. I know this series is gonna be uncut, but I'm allowing this one. Right, I seem to have typed in this hook here. Maybe it will work. Maybe operation store, operation upgrade, okay, remove, type package, target NVIDIA. Actions depends, make init CPIO, run post transaction, exec USR bin, make init CPIO -p. Right, now we have a Pacman hook in case NVIDIA drivers update. I'm going to pause here because my laptop seems to be having a problem at the moment, so 1 second. Right, we're back. Now, moment of truth. Do you have our video drivers installed? Or do you have to go back and see what's installed? Let's find out together. Heat. Please, for the Holy Mother of God, install my goddamn NVIDIA. Okay, we seem to have our NVIDIA drivers installed, which means I can end the episode here. Thank you for watching our Six Adventures episode 1, where we installed the NVIDIA drivers. I do understand that the text box, the command line is much more squashed and stretched, but that's the side effect of installing NVIDIA drivers. So, again, thank you for watching our Next Adventures episode 1. This has been RequiredTech. And I'll see you in the next episode where we'll install X server and install that environment. Goodbye.